Hi guys, hope you're all doing good. Just a real quick shout out and a thank you to my man Mark Simpson at Boostly for creating us the best website that we could have ever expected. I wanted to quickly share a few pointers as to where we were before and where we are now since having a website. Because look, we've spent a long time building a service department business. Nearly 4 years in September, and a lot of our focus has been on growth and networking with guests to bring in direct bookings and reaching out to old guests, but all been very clunky and been very sort of like amateurish. And then we decided at the beginning of the year to up our game and go and get a Boostly site. Why do we want to get a Boostly site? Because it's simple, easy to use, and looks the part. But we was always doing things a bit messy. It's a bit clunky, should we call it? And we spent quite a bit of time working with Mark and a team to get it right, have the sorted stay brand, the feel, and making sure we can have a great guest experience, right? Now, when the site was completed, COVID-19 happened. Booking.com and Airbnb fell off a cliff, but guess what stayed around? Our website. And with unique marketing strategies and putting ourselves out there and getting our brand out there and getting the website out there, we were able to get significant amounts of business. So to give you an example, we've done 40k's worth of revenue to key workers and NHS staff all through the website during that time, which we would never have been able to have done before. So it's changed, it helped us thrive through COVID-19. We've got our brand out there. It gives us a look and feel and a level of confidence all around direct marketing. And where we're at now is we're in a position now where we're literally using the site to push so we can do more direct business. Because let's be real, we don't want to be spending money with Booking.com and Airbnb if we don't have to. Now we know that we don't have to properly, and now we're getting results from it. So I just want to say big thanks to everyone else. And look, if you're an operator, whether it's service departments, hotels, guest houses, B&B, whatever, have a chat with Mark and the team and look at what they can do for you, because for us it's been game changing, and I'm vouching for it big time. So anyway, all the best, enjoy your summer and get boosted, if that's a word.